Turbo here. Today, we're gonna build a keyboard, but not just any keyboard. This one's gonna be special. I'm going to build my friend slash Valorant duo her dream keyboard with this beauty right here. Oh wait, it's upside down. With this beauty right here, and she doesn't know it. Well, kinda. Let me explain. A couple weeks ago, she reached out to me asking if I could help her buy a budget gaming keyboard and then I'll mod it for her. With her budget of around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos, we got to talking about her build, and a couple of back and forth later, she decided to go with the Akko ACR Pro 75 as it ticked most of her boxes and it was cheaper. I said cheaper because if it wasn't for the budget, she would have really gone for the Monsgeek M1 as she fell in love with the white Monsgeek builds she saw on YouTube posted by a lot of reviewers and enthusiasts. And so, I bought it for her and she doesn't know it.
Clarify ko lang, gusto mo white yung case, tama ba?
Kaso 'di ba yung white na case sa Pro 75, 'di ba north facing 'yon? So okay lang black,
Okay lang black.
'di ba?
Pero,
Yeah,
sige. Pero gusto mo white una. Kung hindi sana
Kung
siya
south,
north facing.
Yeah.
Tapos, Boba switches, sure ka na doon?
Mas mura yun, 'di ba? Oo, sige. Sige na.
It isn't the prettiest.
So yun, what's up sa inyo mga ka-keyboard?
Do you need help? Sige, i-fall out mo. Fall out.
Tita is cute and nice.
Yee! Oh, nilagay ko talaga yan. Kasi sabi ko, oh my God, that's so you.
You're a
And
star,
this
you
one.
clutch, you whip, but at the end of the day, you smile.